Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Channel update, November 25th, 2018. We'll have that coming right up. It's been a while since I've done a channel update, and I have quite a bit of things to update you on, so let's jump right into it. As you're all well aware of, the Because Life Bigger event will be held on November 28th, this coming Wednesday in New York City from 2 to 4 p.m. Be sure to watch Bill the Drone Reviewer, as I will have instant analysis after the event is over. And then on Wednesday at 7:30, I will be having a live stream. We'll be looking at what DJI has announced, looking into some of the details and features, and get into some discussion. I anticipate that would probably going to run about 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do a live event on Wednesday from 7:30 to 8 to discuss the Because Life is Bigger event. Second of all, this is something that's fantastic. Just hit 5,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to Bill the Drone Reviewer. You guys drive me to do quality content, and thank you so much for your subscribing to the channel. I do promise to continue to deliver to you, to the best of my ability, quality content. And with that, we also hit 1 million views. That is something that's significant. And realize the channel started on May 31st, 2017. So in a little over a year and a half, I've hit 5,000 subscribers and 1 million views. And again, that's all because of every one of you. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Going to put a slide up on the screen here, and we have some, because the holiday season's coming up, I've scheduled a fun event to happen here in Central Florida. And it's called 2018 Central Florida Drone Community Holiday Get Together. And it's going to be hosted by myself and Valerie. It's going to be on Saturday, December 8th, 2018 from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And it's going to be held at Ford's Garage over in Lakeland. Now Lakeland, if you're familiar with Florida, it's kind of about halfway between Orlando and Tampa. And we figured it would be a great location to be able to get people from Tampa and also from the Orlando area. There is a RSVP invitation event set up on Facebook, so definitely check that out. And if you are going, please let me know how many will be in your party. This is a family-friendly event, so we do, if you want to bring your spouse, your children, definitely do this. We're going to be purchasing some appetizers to share at the table. And also, we'll probably have some surprises as well. Looking forward to a great time. It should be a lot of fun. Definitely you want to join this. Now, I'm looking forward to trying to get something together for a fly-in come after the first of the year, and I'll give you more details on that as that progresses. Rotor Talk Live. Wanted to let everybody know that there's going to be a change in the format of this show when I don't have a guest on. When I don't have a guest on, we're going to spend the first 5 minutes discussing any relevant news or updates regarding drones. And then we're going to spend about the last part of the show, 25 minutes, in discussion. I'm going to be answering your questions. I'll be taking them and answering them as I always do. But I think this is a great way of being able to engage everybody, because I know I get quite a bit of feedback from my Rotor Talk Lives, which is fantastic. And one of the things is people love to get engaged and love to have questions answered. So what I want to do is give you guys an opportunity to get your questions answered. And I think this is a fantastic medium to do that. Also, Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live. On Sundays is my day that I get together my videos for the week. So what I've decided to do was to cut back Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live to one Sunday a month. This will greatly help me be able to get quality content out during the week for everybody. So I appreciate you guys understanding that. Thank you. And thank you all for watching both Tuesday evening Rotor Talk Live and Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live. And I know I get quite a bit of my subscribers from over in the UK and over in Europe and Australia. And I thank you guys for hanging in there. It's been a few weeks since I've had a Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live, and I think I'm going to be picking up one. I think next Sunday will be the December 2nd, and we will have one for December. Just wanted to let you all know that. Now, I've also done some updates regarding the channel is concerned. I changed some of the channel art and also the About Me section. So I want you guys to go ahead and check that out. I think you guys will like it. I think it's very updated. I think it really is a great reflection on things. I put some new pictures and graphics up there, and I hope you guys will end up liking that. Now, also, we got the 12 days of Christmas coming up, and I am just so excited about this because for 12 days in a row, starting on December the 3rd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to have a 5-minute live stream, and what I'm going to do is we're going to be giving something away. Be on the lookout this week for a video. Valerie's going to help me with the video, and this will be all the details that you will need to be able to enter the 12 days of Christmas will be in this video. Also, I'm also going to mention and talk about this now and also in the video, Rick Smith from Drone Valley will be having 12 days of Christmas as well. So I definitely want you guys to check that out because you'll have double the chance to win things for Christmas. It's just a fantastic opportunity. And these are some nice things that I'll be giving away. I have 2 drones. They're toy drones. One's a GPS enabled drone. And going to have some gift cards we're giving away. And the grand prize is a Mavic 2 battery. I mean, how many of you, it's an OEM, it's from DJI, how many of you would want not want to have another battery? I would think everybody who has a Mavic 2 would want to have another battery. So I think that's going to be fantastic here. Also wanted to let you know, I'm going to throw up a slide on the screen. There's something great happening behind this door. Now, what it is, I can't tell you right now, but I want you to be sure to keep watching Bill the Drone Reviewer because I'm going to be able to reveal this in a few weeks, and it's going to be incredible. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And last but not least, I have some other things that are coming up probably within the next week. Be on the lookout for a video probably at the end of this week and over next weekend with some more exciting news about Bill the Drone Reviewer. Question of the day. Will you be buying a drone for someone this Christmas? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.